Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I have for you a probably not that much interesting knife, but it was really how should I say it, interesting experience. So let us continue. So this one I came across, I just searched for new knives that I could probably buy and share with you here on my channel, like I usually do. And I came across this F152 folding pocket knife. It was fairly cheap. I did pay $9.50, so that was with shipping from China. And when it came, this is what I was looking at. So you are looking at a really old box, probably also knife. The probably nearest thing that I can compare it is one of my inventory of my mag lights that I bought 7 years ago, and even 7 years ago this was a really old model. I bought it on a flea market. I bought two of them. One is unboxed, so it's unboxed. I made a video 7 years ago on my channel. It gets some views and also a comment, so yeah, I still have one still here. And if you see the grading of the packaging of the clamshell, yeah, and definitely this one did not look on the pictures this yellow orangey like, but this is what a really old packaging and also knife looks like. So we are talking probably somewhere around 15 years, maybe even more. Okay, so let me unbox it. So firstly we have some information. This is some kind of branding on it: Forran, Felsion, yeah, for adult use. Felsion cutlery. This page does not exist, of course. I did find this model with this description on a site that I will link you down below. If you like, you can go check them out. They sell it for even cheaper, for around $6. So yeah, I overpaid. Yes, it is what it is. This one definitely has a nice little pouch with the Frost family logo. I know about Frost cutlery from US. They did sold a lot of cheap knives back in the days, and also the inside the packaging is crumbling. So yeah, this is a really old stuff. Now you can see how old it is. Okay, so and here we have the knife. So this is a smaller EDC utility knife. Has a, I would say, almost like a Spyderco Stretch looking blade. I will bring one of my Spyderco Stretch out to compare it, of course, to so you can see the differences and similarities. So we have a overall length of 15.5 centimeters or 6 inches. We have a full-sized pocket clip. The blade is 6.5 centimeters or 2.5 inches. The handle is 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches. The blade thickness is 2.6 millimeters or 0.1 inch, and the handle thickness is 1.1 centimeters or 0.4 inches. We have open pillar construction. Obviously no weight reduction. This is a really old knife, so back in the days they did not bother weight reducing knives, and also this is a fairly small knife. So the weight comes in at 62.5 grams or 2.2 ounces. The blade is made out of 440C. Let me show you the markings on the blade. So we have super steel 440C. So back in the days, of course, 440C was a super steel, corrosion resistant, all of those things. And on the blade we have a trademark, or a copyrighted original Forran logo in some Chinese letters, and a radioactive sign. Okay, so that is not good to have on a blade, but yeah, it is what it is. We have also a full-size pivot screw, right on phosphor bronze washer, so fairly standard. Back in the days, I would probably say this is something made by Navy Knives. Nowadays they are now under the brand Brother, so definitely. And as you can expect from a really cheap knife, you have sharp edges all over it, so yeah. Let me check out the sharpness. You definitely have a usable edge on it, but as you can see, it could be stropped a little bit and be a better cutter, of course. It has almost a bird knives opening hole, almost something between the bird and the spider comb. Linear construction, nice positive click and nicely centered. Okay, let me give you the pocket profile. So this is how much it will stick out from your pocket. You also have a lanyard hole. If you like, you can put, this is a decent size of a hole, you can put 550 cord with no problems. And now let me show you some size comparisons. Okay, one thing that I just remembered when I was going through the knives that I own, I bought previously, is that this opening hole and also the pocket clip looks really similar to a knife that I bought probably 10, maybe 11 years ago, and that was the Blade Tech Tim Wagner design. This is the, I don't not remember the name, probably the red. So as you can see, we have similar hole geometry, also the same pocket clip. So yes, this could be a coincidence. Maybe Blade Tech was produced by a OEM manufacturer in China. Back in those days, this was a standard production, and it has also similar G10 structure. In this one you have ambidextrous mounting option for your pocket clip. So yeah, so similar similar design cues, but different knives, of course. And this was a really nice piece back in the days. Nice, compact, almost like a I would say a dragonfly from Spyderco. Okay, so firstly let me bring up the stretch. So here is there are some similarities, definitely. We have some kind of double recurve here on the F152. So now let's see some known knives. So here's the Spyderco Delica, Spyderco Endura, Kershaw Shuffle 2, Back vintage select, the small one. Here's the Spyderco Dragonfly, Sock Flash 1, and also let me bring out the Bugsprint Pro, and also a brother knife, the 1508-CF. Okay, so this was a blast from the past. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below, and I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. And if you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also unboxings of hobby related stuff like books, electronics, and tools from the hobby, miniatures, painting stuff, and so on. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.